Hi students, welcome to the Yupp Master Foundation program. So, today we are going to take the important class for the 6th class students, those who are having very much interest in science and all other subjects also. So, if you are going to take that science as the integral part of all, you are having that all the sciences, that is biological science, physical science. So, if you are taking that one quantity, how you will measure that? Hello students, how you will measure that now? So, what is the need of measurement we have discussed. So, without measurement can we survive our life? Can see? Yeah, that is what we are going to take, that units and measurement. So, we will take that measurement is a one process. Yeah, measurement. You are going to take that measurement, it is a one process. Yes, you are going to take that measurement of different physical quantities. Now, I am asking you one question, if you are going to take that measure the temperature of your surroundings, how you will get that temperature? So, in the environment you are having the different physical quantities, temperature, yeah, pressure, and you will take that force also, and you will take that wind speed also, so many. Is there any need for these all measurements? Surely 100% you have that need. In order to have that different activities in your daily life, you need to have that measurement. Yeah, you need to know the temperature, you need to know the pressure. Yes, like let us see that. Yeah, measurement of physical quantities. Alright, now you can take that quantity. So, if you are going to take that quantity means amount of substance, you are going to get that. Yeah, and otherwise how many times you can take. Yes, you can take that quantity, but you have to represent in how many times. Let us see, we are going to get that. Yes, let us have look. If you are going to take the one task, can you measure that irregular body measurements? Let us see. Yeah, you can measure this area. It is going to be irregular. It is going to be irregular. Yes, all right. You can't able to get this measurement. It is irregular. In size, shape. So, we are going to get that length, breadth, and you can take that height also. So, all these are going to be regular, then only we can measure. If not, can you measure? You can try to measure with the thread. You can take that one thread. Is it possible to measure? Yeah, it is not possible. If you want to measure this with thread, it is not possible. If you are going to take the measurement of the total surface area, it is not possible. Now, if you are taking that, irregular bodies are going to be Measurable or not? Yes. We can't able to measure. Yes, what do you mean about regular body? What do you mean about regular? With respect to that, size, shape, length, breadth, height, all are going to be symmetrical. It's easy. Let's see that. What happened? If you are going to take this, yes, can you measure this volume? This is going to be cube. Yeah, this is a regular body. This is a regular body. Yes, I will give you the picture of this. Yeah, very simply you can take that two-dimensional space, and if you are going to take this, this is a one. Yeah, you will take this. Now, if you are going to take this complete body, this is a regular. Why it is going to be regular? Its length, it's going to be, all the parameters are going to be equal. So, if you are going to take that lengthwise, length equal to breadth equal to height, all are equal. You can easily measure that the parameters. Suppose if you have taken that this is a one body which is going to be identified, right? This is a regular body. You can take that this is A, this is also A centimeter, let us assume. This is A, this is A. You can measure the area. You are going to get this area. You will take that area, that is A square. Easily you will find out that. If you are going to take this one, again easily you will measure that. Yeah, you will take that. You will measure that length into breadth. All these are going to be measurable. But what about in the previous case? You can't able to measure. So, measurement is a process which has been involved in one or two steps. If you are going to take that length, it is one simple one step. If you are going to take that area, you have to measure that length and breadth. All right. If you want to get that measurement, you can take that. Yeah, you can take that 3 parameters. Just you will take. Yeah, if you are going to represent, yes, yeah, this is going to be A, B and C. So, all are going to be equal. So, it is going to be volume. What about its volume? It is going to be equal. All sides are going to be equal. Then it is going to be measured in 3 steps. You have been measured length, breadth and height. Very clear? All right. So, what we have concluded that matter, regular bodies are going to be measured. Suppose you have taken that leaf, let us see. Yeah, if you are going to take, this is also one parameter, let us take that one leaf is there. It is going to be taken as, yeah, you can take that. You can measure this area, easily you can measure. Let us see, you have taken, right, all right, all right, all right. Now you can take, easily you will measure that. Yes, I will give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have given the numbers, I have been placed on the graph paper, let us assume. This is a one graph paper. I have been placed on this graph paper. In one line is equal to 1 mm. Yes, one line is equal to 1 mm. Just you have to think. the graph paper, one line is equal to 1 mm. Easily you will find out that. Yeah, you will take that one line is equal to 1 mm. So, this leaf is occupying that how many boxes? How many boxes occupied by the leaf? By the leaf. Please take that completely. You have to take that completely. Yes, completely occupied. So, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just you are going to take that 7. You can take this one. Yeah, 7 boxes. You know, one box area of one box is equal to, you can measure that 1 mm into 1 mm. So, 1 mm square, easily you will find out that. How many lines does it has been occupied? Just you can see, that is 7. Therefore, area of the leaf is going to be 7 mm square. Easily you will find out that. It is a very simple. Now, if you are going to take that area, it is related to regular body or irregular body. Let us take that. Sometimes we are going to talk about that irregular body, which is going to be measured by these different instruments, like thread. Also we can use thread, but this case we are using the graph paper. That is where just you have to stick that to the graph paper. Very simply you can easily find out that. You will draw it and you can draw the border, that is enough, and you can displace it. At the time you will count that number of, if you are going to get completely filled, yeah, it is going to be completely filled, then you will count that box. Otherwise it is less than half filled, more than half filled. Just we have to take that completely filled. What? Right. It is very simple. Practically you can do it at your home. You can do it. It is very simple. Now, shall we go for the next one? All right. Please. Hello students, just you can take that. This is a square. What we are having? This is a one square. Yes. This is going to be a square. This is going to be applying that force. We are applying that force on this area, right? So, you can measure. You can measure the area, just you can take that. Yeah, it is going to be, this is having, just you will take that and easily you will measure that if you are going to take that A and B. Yeah, you can take that easily, you will find out that, yeah, that is A bar cross B bar. Yes, centimeter square easily. Area is equal to, you will take that area. Easily you will take that AB centimeter square. AB centimeter square. Suppose if you have that values, what about with the help of scale or with the help of thread also you can measure that. I have been taken that, let us assume it is A is equal to A is equal to you can take that A is equal to 4 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeter. Easily you will measure that. Yeah, 4 into 8 centimeter square, 32 centimeter square. It is clear, but at the same time, if you are going to get this, applying force also, you are applying the force. You are applying the force on a one object. if you are going to push that, push that one object, you can talk about that there exists a pressure. Yes, you are talking about, do you know atmospheric pressure also? We are going to talk, we are going to oftenly hear the word that is pressure. Yes, that is what I am telling you. You can able to measure the force per unit area, that is equal to pressure. Very simply you will take that. So, if you want to have the better understanding, I can give you, right, you can take that. Yeah, if you are taking that, you can take another one. This is the just one case. If you want to take that, pressure P is equal to force by area. Very simply you will take that, force by area. All right. Right. Easily you will take that force is suppose n newtons. We are going to take that. It is 32 centimeter square. Easily you will take that. This is a simple method, you can follow that. I will give the example, one more example for you to have the better understanding. Do you know, if you have been taken a one test tube, right? So, you have taken the test tube. Yeah, you can take that. This is a test tube, let us assume. It has been filled with the water, right? You have taken yes. All right. Due to the atmospheric pressure, yeah, let us have some use that. So, there exists a force just on this layer, there exists a force. Yes, there exists a force. What happened if you are going to get that, the atmospheric pressure can be measured with the help of this concept easily. They are going to take that mercury, do you know? Mercury which can respond to the pressure, and it is going to be non-sticky to the glass, and suddenly the mercury, height of the mercury level is going to be h. This h value is increases, decreases, it is going to be increases and decreases. You can identify that changes in the environment, all right. Yes, that is what you can hear. Nah, today it is going to be heavy rain is going to be affected. Yes, due to change in the pressure, there exists a change in temperature also. So, automatically you will get that, yeah, condensed clouds, and they are going to give that heavy rain, whatever. So, that is a environment topic. Just we can see that we are going to talk about that pressure increases, pressure decreases, what happened? There exists a change. All right, what you have learned once again you can see, you can measure that pressure, how it is possible. Force acting per unit area, I am going to get force acting in this area, you will find out that. So, it is going to be in the circle, yeah, it is going to be in the circle, you have taken this is a circle, this is r, pi r square, area is going to be pi r square. Easily you will find out, all these things are going to be measurable, right. Let us go for another one, very interesting. You would like to travel, yeah, in this car, just you can see. Suppose if you are going to take that measure speed, yes, what you can take that now? You are going to talk about speed. How you can measure the speed? Let us see. It is going on. Yes, it has been reached that one place to, it has been reached the destination. Simply from one place to another place it has been moved. All right. Let us see what is it. Yeah, it has been moved. Right. Right. It has been covered the distance. It has been covered the distance. All right, students, you wants to, do you have very good experience having the journey, and also you can identify that some vehicles are going to be crossed, that some vehicles are moving, some vehicles are going to compete with your own vehicle. No? So, they are going to make them crossover by getting that acceleration, that getting that high speed. Okay, it is all your observation. All right. Now, if you are going to take that, one important point. So, in short period of time you will cover long distance, then you can confirm that speed is high. You are going to get that speed is going to be, yeah, is going to be distance covered. Yeah, you will take that, yeah, distance covered by time taken. It's very clear. Yes, you can easily identify that, but how you will estimate that distance easily? How you will get the time? Yeah, you can take that. This is going to be identified that speed is equal to d by t. Now, you will go for kilometers by hours. Just you will going to get that kilometers per hour easily. Sometimes it has been covered the small distance, just you will take that speed is equal to meters per second. You have been played with the small toys, it is going to move, when you push that it will move only 1 meter. Let us you have that very good experience at your childhood. All right. Now, they are going to take that, this is large, yeah, this is the large, for large one, this is for small, you will take that, this is for small, just you can take that, it is very clear. You have been learned how to measure the speed. Can you measure the speed? Simply you are going to have the observation, while you are sitting besides your father who is going to ride that, he is going to drive that vehicle. Simply 1 meter is there, that speedometer, just you will take that, it will shows that reading, yeah, it is going to be showing that, yeah, it is going to have that, yes, it will shows kmph. Yes, yeah, it's going to be getting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, just if you are going to get this one, 100, you will get this, like this you are going to get. This is very simple, in your daily life you have very good observation with this speed. All right. Can you guess that if you are going to take our Mother Earth, for 1 second it will covers almost all 7.5 kilometers. You are be in the rest position on this earth, but you are in the motion, you are going to moving, but how you will identify it? Someone has seen from that moon, someone has been identifying from other planet, it is very clear. So, that is very interesting topic. If you are going to be sleeping, but you are in motion, how our earth is going to having that motion, it is going to be revolving in its path. All right, that is very clear. You are going to be in the straight line path, very good, straight line path, that is one direction, one direction. All right. Okay, students, we have learned. But if you are going to take that in the circular path, in the circular path, what we will see? It's going to be moving in this one. In this time you have to measure total distance, that is you will take that total distance is going to be 2 pi r. You have been taken that revolving around a fixed axis, just you are going to have that one practice session, you are going to get that revolving 10 times. What is the total distance? If r is that, r is going to be 2 meters, if r is equal to 2 meters. If you have been completed that one revolution, what is the distance travelled? That is you are going to choose that straight line path, you are going to move in this path. Yeah, that is the case we are going to discuss. Right, all right, it's very clear, we can measure that. Let us go for another one. See, we are going to take that, yes, 1D, just you can take that. How imagine it is going to be length, it is going to be, yeah, it is going to be length. You are going to get that measurement of length. Okay. Now you are going to measure that area. You are going to take that length. It has been measured. You are going to get that area. Yes. Very clear. If you are taking that, what we are going to get that? This is a complete body. It is a one plane. You can take that. This is a one plane, yes, this is a one line, say one line, straight line, it is going to be straight line, one plane. I will give the good example, your playground, you are going to play, yeah, you are going to get that play, yeah, this is a plane, playground, just you can take that playground, just you can identify that playground. Yes, it is very clear. Here you are going to get this is a volume, just it is going to be complete body, that is you have to get this volume. Easily you will identify that volume. Yes, you can take, this is the case, you will take that. While you are going to talk about that volume, yes, you have to take that, yeah, that is going to be length into breadth into height. Easily you will find out that. In case of cube, just you can take that cube. Have you played with that cube? Yeah. If you are going to rotate that, what is that magic with that cube? If you are going to take, if you are going to in this rotate in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, any direction, just if you are going to get, but it's a symmetry, it's going to appear same shape, its a shape is going to be remains constant, you can't get that difference whatever it may be. If you are going to get in any direction, you can move, just if you are going to rotate it, its shape is going to be same. Very clear, we can measure that. It is not a tough task, easily you will find out that, right. So, we will measure length also, area also, volume. Suppose you can measure that volume of a liquid, if you have taken that water tank, you will measure that volume, that is of meter cube or centimeter cube, simply you will take that. This is the process of measurement, alright. Now, if you are going to take that next one, please take that, this is a one sphere, you can take that. Have you seen, this is a one sphere. If you are going to get this one, yes, yes, if you are going to get that, yes, sphere. it is a sphere, just you have to see that. You can measure that volume, you can measure the volume of sphere. How you can measure that volume of sphere? With the help of thread also, just you will put the thread. By knowing this, you can place it the thread at the semi major axis, just you can get that radius, yeah, you will get that radius. Yes, by knowing the radius, you will find out that 4 by 3 pi r cube. Very simply, only the thing is you have taken the thread and you have been put it on this one, you will measure that. No need to take any instrument, with the help of thread only you will measure, it is possible. So, alright, by knowing that r is equal to 5 centimeter, yeah, that is 4 by 3 into 3.14 into 5 centimeter square. Easily you will find out this value. That is what I am telling you, learning with the different objects is a very important. So that all the children's, have you learned, measurement is a process which has been involved one step or two steps or three steps, whatever it may be. It is a continuous process by having the different activities. I think so you have been enjoyed the class. So in the next class also we will come to